Welcome back to part 2 of taking out the water pump on 2017 Ford Escape. Take out the axle brackets. Tools are required on this engine. These tools lock the crankshaft and camshaft into the correct position. Now rotate the engine carefully to 11 o'clock. Install the camshaft locking tools. Now rotate the engine carefully to top dead center. Install the timing locking tools. Double-check timing marks and alignment before removing the belt. Now remove the starter. Again, this is part of gaining access to the timing area and engine components. Take your time with connectors and wiring. Install the flywheel locking tools. This is crazy, I'm lost. Why do I need to take half of the engine out just to take out water pump? This is bad engineering. Now release tension from the timing belt tensioner. Carefully remove the timing belt. At this point, we finally gain access to the water pump. Now remove the water pump bolts. Coolant will drain out, so keep a drain pan underneath. Remove the old pump and inspect it. You may see leakage, worn bearings, or gasket failure. Now clean the mounting surface completely. Any leftover gasket material can cause leaks. Compare the new pump to the old one before installation. Install the new water pump and torque the bolts evenly. Now comes the most important part. Reinstalling and timing the engine correctly. Route the timing belt properly. Set tension according to factory procedure. Remove slack from the correct side of the belt. Now verify timing alignment again using the special tools. Rotate the engine by hand slowly and recheck timing marks. Never skip this step. If timing is off even slightly, the engine may run poorly or suffer internal damage. Once timing is confirmed, reinstall the timing covers, engine mount components, starter, alternator, serpentine belt, and everything removed earlier. Timing, torque, alignment, cooling system, bleeding. Everything has to be correct. Most water pumps are simple, not this one, on this Ford Escape. Now refill the cooling system with the correct coolant. Bleed air from the cooling system properly. Start the engine and check for leaks. Listen carefully for abnormal timing or belt noise. Watch engine temperature. Make sure the cooling fans operate normally. After reaching operating temperature, top off coolant if needed. This is one of those jobs where details matter. That's how you replace the timing belt-driven water pump on a 2017 Ford Escape.
Thanks for watching Be Auto Mechanic and EV Rescue. Real repairs, real solutions, real mechanics. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the next video.